I bought quite a few stuff from Fashion Nova. This is my first ever fashion haul, and it's from Fashion Nova. I wanted to buy it. That's because I needed some jeans and I wanted to buy some jeans, and I ended up trying Fashion Nova. I've been seeing Fashion Nova videos on YouTube, like, oh my god, and everybody seems to talk about how great their jeans are. And you know what, I think they do have really nice jeans. Just take a look at this. Yeah, this is the little bag that came in from Fashion Nova. They came in little, you know, plastic wraps like this anyway, which I've already emptied because I've tried them all on before. I couldn't wait, guys, I'm so sorry. But anyway, this is one of them, you know, and I have more other ones, so stay tuned, and I hope you enjoyed the video. So as you can see, this is one at the top that I bought from Fashion Nova. It is a top because you can't wear it by itself. As you can see, it has a very deep cut right there. So you can wear it like this, with some leg jeans, with jeans, whatever. So you can tie it in front, of course, and then you have this. Right, so here's what it looks like from the back, and then we can have it on the side. So just gather it on the side, and then you can do your little tie over there. There you go, which is where I'm probably gonna ooh, wear it the most, maybe on my side. It's cute and a little funky, I think. Is that a good way to describe it? And do you guys like my braids? It's just exactly like those Wakanda braids, guys. It's nothing new, you know. It's just those braids that I've done before. There you go. I love them. They're quite long. I like it. It's cute. Ooh. So here is one of their popular jeans from Fashion Nova. I actually bought stuff from Fashion Nova because of the jeans. Actually, I bought two of them. This is one of them, and this is black in a size 7. All right, it's very stretchy. I like it a lot. And very, very comfortable. I wish it hugs me on the tummy a bit so that it can help me hold on to my skin. Help me kind of like feel a bit more snug on my tummy area. I wish it was, but it's okay. I have the top from Fashion Nova as well. I rolled it up because I prefer it rolled up. I'm gonna go back and you see it's quite long. The sleeves are quite long, so I probably am gonna be wearing it mostly folded up if I'm wearing it without a jacket, of course. So here is the top. I've tucked it into the jeans. So what do you think? So here you are, guys. Here is the top, not tucked in. It is a medium, I think it was. Yeah, I'll put the right size. If I say it wrong, I'll put the correct size there. But I think it's either a small or medium. So there you go. It actually looks kind of a little bit brighter on the screen than it is in real life. In real life, it's not as bright. I actually really like the color. It's not too bright. It's not shiny. And I'm gonna come closer so that you can see. See, the fabric is kind of stretchy. And my lights as well, you know, kind of contributes to it. So yeah, this is actually not a Fashion Nova brand, it's a different brand. So what I realized is that Fashion Nova does stock other brands as well, I guess. So yeah, this is my first time buying from Fashion Nova and I like it. I love the jeans. I'm definitely going to be buying more jeans from Fashion Nova because I really, really like it. There you go. And then I also have this top. It's meant to hug you. Fitted. And then I'll go back. So that's what it is. It's a pretty long jumper top. It's in a medium. I like it. I like it a lot. What do you guys think? Do you like it? So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget, guys, give me a thumbs up if you would like to see more fashion hauls from me. I'm in a place where I need some clothes right now. So I will be buying a few clothes, and I want to share them with you all. So if you like fashion haul, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave your thoughts and comment down below which item you like best.